Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. This is our evening newsletter. Beginning with this disclaimer that all signals and trading opportunities that we provide are for educational demonstration purposes only. Participating in the markets does involve substantial risk, and it should be understood that a person can lose a substantial amount of money. Carefully consider your financial position prior to making a trade, and never trade more than you can afford to lose. Now, what we're looking at is a very short-term chart of Microsoft. And we know that Microsoft earnings are approaching. They're going to be released Tuesday after the market closes. Now, let's determine how we want to trade Microsoft earnings. Now, Citibank maintained a buy rating, raised the price target on Microsoft from 310 to 378. KeyBank reiterated an overweight rating and increased the price target from 305 to 330. Wellbush is expecting Microsoft to beat on its earnings and raise guidance. And maybe most importantly, on Monday, options traders expecting a beat believe that Microsoft is going to rally higher after its earnings. Together, traders purchased $2.5 million worth of Microsoft calls. Now here they are. Between 9:43 a.m. and 12:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Big money just continued to hammer calls. There's a $344,000 bullish bet, $760,000 bullish bet, and a $500,000 bullish bet. In general, strike prices are between about 285 to 330. So they're varying quite a bit. Expiration date, for the most part, September, October. A few very short trades, very small money, 33,000 and 40,000, expiring July 30. So if you're going to make an options bet on the stock or buy the stock, options traders are anticipating a move to between, I'd say, 300 and 330, and that extends out to September, October. So they're not taking, for the most part, short-term options. This is a longer-term options play through the summer and into the early fall. What they all have in common is they believe that Microsoft is going to really smack earnings out of the ballpark, and those price targets may be raised even higher, and we're going to see a really nice bullish move after earnings. Now, no single signal is stronger than unusual options activity. It tells us directly what big institutional money, big money traders, insiders are anticipating on the earnings report. We have $3.5 million worth of bullish options positions, essentially no puts. The number of put positions placed were inconsequential. So Wall Street and big money is anticipating a move up. If you're going to play earnings, you know the direction to trade it. It would be long. Everyone have a nice evening, and I look forward to talking with you tomorrow.